Hey guys, welcome. Welcome to another segment of Rowserworld. Today, what we're going to be doing is teaching you how to draw a couple of different sets of cartoon eyes. So the first set of eyes we're going to use are going to be the light colored eyes. Okay, these are for people that perhaps have brown, maybe a green, maybe a blue, different light colored eyes. Now, these eyes are going to be associated with babies. Okay, so they're going to be best used if you have a baby in front of you. You can maybe play with the size and try to put them on an adult, but then they're still going to look like a baby. And yeah, I don't think that's going to work out. So remember to vary your line width. If you look at this set of eyes, I've placed emphasis on the line above the eyeball so that you would intentionally be directed to look there. So this is why you want to change your lines. You want to say, I want you to look right here, look right here. I want this to stand out. It's kind of like putting an exclamation point, but you're using a marker. Now the next set of eyes that we're going to be talking about are the darling eyes. Now, darling eyes, what does that put you in the mind state of? I know what I see. I see a ballroom. I see people dancing across the floor, and a man and a woman, and the woman's looking at the man, and the man's looking at the woman in her darling eyes. That's what I see. That's actually because I'm watching TV as I'm doing this video. Yeah, just playing. Okay, guys, so these eyes are very entrancing, is what I'm trying to tell you. They make you feel at ease, kind of like you don't want to break your stare. If these eyes invoke that emotion, if someone's eyes, when you look at them, invoke that emotion, then maybe you might want to use this set of eyes right here. Okay, so remember guys, eyes are communicators of emotion, the mirrors to the soul. Shapes are also communicators of emotion. If you pick the shape that corresponds with the emotion, then you can draw anybody's eyes you want. This is one of the most powerful lessons that I learned as an artist, was to draw from within, not looking for approval, but rather because I want to have a voice, and I look for things in people's faces, emotion, what they feel like, what they're going through. The eyes tell it all. Okay, so these eyes are almost done. They're the very concentrated, that, I just saw you over their eyes. Yeah, those are pretty cool. Now, we have one last set of eyes, and these are going to be the soft and gazy eyes. Okay, these eyes are commonly associated with invoking a sympathetic response. Like, oh my goodness, or I really want to help this person out. That's what you'll see if you see, somebody with these types of eyes. Notice where I've put all my emphasis at once again. And they're going to kind of just work out pretty much like the first set of eyes with the penetrating pupils. So guys, I want to thank you so much for watching this video and tutorial. We'll be posting more videos and tutorials soon. If you like this video, please check out these 2 other videos that are popping up to your screen right about now. Also, don't forget to share. And also, guys, don't forget to subscribe below. See you guys next time.